Today, we're diving into the Sony HDRCX675 Full HD 32GB camcorder. Packed with features, this camcorder boasts a G lens with a 26.8mm focal length and an impressive 30x optical zoom, along with 60x clear image zoom for those distant shots. The minimum focusing distance of 0.4 inches allows for detailed close-ups. Equipped with a 3.0-inch LCD touch panel, this camcorder offers a user-friendly interface. The Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity options enhance its usability, providing convenient wireless sharing and control. The 32GB internal memory and SDXC flash memory support dual video format recording, ensuring you never miss a moment. The camcorder's low-light capabilities and anti-shake feature make it a reliable choice for various shooting conditions. The effective pixel count for still images is approximately 2.29 megapixels in 16:9 and 1.71 megapixels in 4:3. With an angle adjustment of up to 90 degrees and a turning angle of 270 degrees, flexibility is key when framing your shots. The USB charging option and power supply further add to the convenience, allowing for on-the-go recording. The camcorder's sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication. In conclusion, the Sony HDRCX675 delivers a comprehensive set of features for both amateur and advanced videographers. From its powerful zoom capabilities to the user-friendly interface and versatile connectivity options, this camcorder is a reliable companion for capturing life's memorable moments. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.